So as we know that by default the Teamcity server is running on the 8111 server. Okay, if this 8111 port number is changed and if you want to run on the particular server location or the IP address on the port number, then how you can change that port number for your project. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to go to the Teamcity installed folder, and there you have the Teamcity folder name, and in that you have the con folder is there, and in the con folder you have the server.xml. Okay, so you can edit the server.xml file, and in that file we are going to provide the port number. Okay, so I am using the port number, default port number, and if you want to use some another port number which is free, so that you can check from the command from netstate command, and you can check the port number. Okay, connection timeout, if you want to increase the connection timeout, you can change from here and redirect port. This is default port for this one. Connector port is there, and there are other information on the server related in the server.xml file. Okay, so there is the host name. So your local host, and this is also when you are working with another host name. Okay, you can provide that IP address, http colon double slash, and your this one, the server name, IP address. Okay, if you are running this one on another agent or another machine, so that you can provide here. Okay, so your server name or host name will come here, and the port number which you are referring, the port number should give here. Okay, once you're done with that, okay, then you can save it. Okay, and there are another informations you can check. Okay, so there is this one. So shutdown server port number is this one. Okay, now how to start the Teamcity server. So to start the Teamcity server, you can go to the bin, and there you have the startup.batch file. This is for the Windows, and startup.sh, this is for Linux sh file. So I'm using the Windows, so I will double click on it, and then it will start the Teamcity server at the port 8111 or whichever port you have provided. Okay. So when you change the local host, so it will give you your IP address and the port number, and you can go to the browser and you can refresh this URL. Okay. So as of now, I'm running with the local host. Okay. So the local host will give me the login to the Teamcity. So I have the username and the password to log in into the Teamcity, and now I can log into the Teamcity. Okay. So in the next video, I will show you how to create the project manually or the Git repository.